Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 24th, and this is my analysis for silver. And I'm starting off on the daily time frame, zoomed out a long ways, because I just wanted to show everybody that I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down. We're actually right in between two Fibonacci levels right now. What does that mean? That means that it is very, very, very likely to eventually hit that 78%, which we're actually quite a ways away from that if you look at it on the sort of time frames. So that just gives me even more confidence that we are not finished with this move up yet, and that if this does turn down, which it is, then it very likely is just a pullback to the last wave up, and very likely will continue to make higher highs, higher lows on the daily at least, and most likely go up to that 78% and maybe even beyond. So going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. Definitely looking for three-wave pullbacks. To me, this is a five-wave pullback, which I think potentially is telling me that it's a wave A, and potentially it's going to go down again for a wave C, maybe do something like that before it continues up. It would be nice if it made a nice proper ABC pullback like that, because that's a very recognizable pattern. But if you get a Fibonacci bounce at any one of these levels and a break of structure to the upside on the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would get back on the long side because of the reasons I showed you on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.